Uban atop ka lang ba?
Hi everyone, this is Layan and welcome to my channel. Now we are here in beside the river. This is called Moon River because this is the name, M-U-N, Moon River. So I want to tell you more about Moon River. The river begins in Khao Yai National Park. The Khao Yai National Park is in Korat, and so it started there. Then it passes some provinces like Ubon Ratchatani, Buriram, Serene, Sisiket, and the last part is Ubon Ratchatani. Look at this. The river overflows na siya. Nag-overflow na siya. This is the highest peak of the river here in Ubon. But it's almost, look, almost, takot ako. It's almost, but if you can see that one on the other end, the other side of this river, you can see only I'm gonna focus that. You can see only the roof of the houses. It's all covered with water now. So the water is so huge, so big, and the current is very fast. And look at that. That is the bridge going to the other side. It almost reached the floor of the bridge. So, and since this is the highest peak of the bridge, all that lower area over there already covered with water. So let's go around and see and check if what places are affected with this water. So bakit ganito? Kasi umulan dito last week ng non-stop, as in non-stop talaga all week. At ito na nangyayari kasi ang water na ito is nanggagaling talaga dun sa Korat. So all of the water there. So now this water will go directly to Mekong River. Mekong River is the longest river here in Asia. So here, please pray that this water will subside soon. Alright, so let's go. I will show you more. So we are here now at the temple. I think I have a picture here before. I will show you. I will find that picture. I will show you that picture. And this is the current situation right now here. So this is the temple. This is the dragon temple before. So this is what it is right now. So the water reaches here already. It's on the stairs. So yeah, can't imagine because yung river was supposedly, if you can see that red mark over there, hanggang baba niyan, that's the river. Baba niyan mas malalim pa talaga. But now the water is up here. Okay.
I think Sam said it's based in the book.
นะครับก็คือไปอยู่รอบๆแต่ตัวเมืองอยู่ที่ไผ่ดาวคือน้ำเนี่ยโอบล้อมเข้ามาบ้านอยู่ตัวเมืองก็เลยรอดแต่ทีนี้
Yeah, so when I first came here to Thailand, this is the first place now we took picture because I love the garden. But now the garden looks like this. It's all full of water now. See, I don't know if I can show you my pictures here, if I can still find those pictures, but I had pictures here. I really like this garden because look at these two dragons there, two dragon plants, and there are more designs here of the plants because I like it. But now it's all covered with water, and I can't imagine water can come here, you know. Look at that. People there, and there are people. And also, there is a Channel 3 over there. They're interviewing some locals here, and I think they're shooting for something, for the reports maybe. But I'm not gonna disturb because there are people around. So now, see, this is it. Water, 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 and that is the river. It overflows. Mamili tawagan sa ako din. Are you affected with flood? No?
Oh my gosh, this is so unbelievable.
Unbelievable, right? Unbelievable that the water is so high now. So these are my friends. We're going to the other side of the place, the other side of the bridge, because we want to see the situation there as well. And look at that house. That white house. Oh my gosh. If you're gonna zoom in, if you're going to zoom that in, it's all roof now. Only roof. Okay. So we are here in Ubon. We are on the bus, military truck. We came here to the train station part because we just want to check the situation. So when we came here, hindi namin nakunan masyado yung angles kasi nakatayo kami. Now going back, I think I can get more close angles. Clearly close up. So here, so these are the militaries over there.